Extra large do-rag with large band, long tails and ties to secure hair. Great for use with waves, braids and locks. Extra large band to keep edge-ups neat and intact. Locks in moisture for overnight maintenance and healthy hair growth or retention. Keeps styles laid and intact overnight. WavEnforcer Spin Premium Do-Rag is an extra-large do-rag in size and length. Locks in moisture for overnight maintenance and healthy hair growth or retention. Features include a extra-large band to keep edges-ups neat and intact. Long tail and ties allow for a secure, comfortable fit. Great for use with waves, braids and locks. Keeps styles laid and intact overnight. WavEnforcer. Confident, strong, smooth. Top reviews from the United States. Looks amazing. This product came in on time and was professionally packaged as described. It got the job done, and I wear it at night before I go to sleep to keep my hair fresh in the morning.